Hello, my name is Claudia, and I am the Foreign Faculty Academic Coordinator. I've been teaching at Sias for 10 years now and been in this role for the past 3 years. My job is mainly to oversee all academic matters that have to pertain with our foreign faculty. I oversee an academic leadership team that provides support and leads our foreign faculty in lesson planning, team meetings, getting resources, curriculum and material. So our academic teachers teach 12 hours a week because they have more grading and course prep than our oral English teachers. But it's still much less time than a full-time job if you work in the business world. Most academic teachers teach about 2 different courses, so it's between 2 to 4 class preps a week. Each class has 3 hours most of the time. The classroom size is about 25 students to up to 60 or 70, depending on which class you're teaching. We teach for both the business school, the School of Foreign Language, as well as international students, and those students come from all over the world, including Mongolia, Indonesia, Thailand. Those class sizes are much smaller. They can go from 3 to 5 people to maybe 10 students. So if you want to teach an academic class at Sias, you need to have a master's degree in a related field. The visa process includes either 2 years of formal teaching experience, or you can do a TESOL certificate and then do the Henan government TODA exam. We give our new academic teachers training at the beginning of the year before school starts. Chinese culture is very respectful and hierarchical, so our students are highly respect their teachers, and it's a joy teaching them because they listen well, they ask well thought out questions, they don't challenge the teacher that much. And so you can explain as an expert what you've learned and talk to them in a very respectful manner, and it brings a lot of satisfaction to our teachers. Sias is a great launching board to other careers in the future because we provide our teachers with a variety of academic subjects to teach, so you gain experience teaching many different courses.